Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on regular basis. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of gold versus US dollar, GBP versus US dollar, and euro versus US dollar from where we left off yesterday. Okay, now without wasting any further time, let us go straight to the charts. Okay, so when we were discussing yesterday, the market was trending approximately over here at this area, and you guys can see that we could have taken a buying position from here. Okay, so let me take this first position for you guys. So we were discussing the market and market was over here. So if we could have taken a buying position from here, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. Okay, so it is more clear. So yeah, over here our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately over here at a 0.4% level. Okay, and then afterwards you guys can see that market made this huge candle of sell and close below our area of major support, and you guys can see that I would have preferred to stay out of the market because this was a huge abnormal candle and we do not trade on abnormal sized candles. And then you guys can see that market remained sideways within our area of support. Market did not give us any further opportunity to take an entry until and unless when market closed above our area of support over here. Okay, so you guys can see that once market closed above our area of support over here, we could have taken a buying position. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and this trade would have given us a take profit of 2.2%, and this would have been a good trade. And then you guys can see that we have marked this minor area of resistance 2324, and you guys can see that market has tested this area and rejected this area, and now market is trying to get down and bears are trying to control this market. As you guys know that market is currently bearish for this gold, so we are looking for some good selling positions in this market. Okay, so we will now move forward these scenarios for 27th of June. The area of support and resistance are going to remain same, and you guys can ask us anything if you guys want to know anything further, and if you guys have any queries, we are always here and ready to help you guys in any possible way. So market is currently trending over here, so we have moved our scenarios accordingly. So just take your trades as per our mentioned key for entries method and you guys will be making some good profits. So just look for some good selling opportunities, and I hope that currently the running candle will be closed with a red candle, and from there you guys can take a good selling position, and I will try to give that signal in my group as well. So I hope you guys will join me on my telegram group as well. Okay, so now let us move to the next pair, which is the gbp usd pair from where we left off yesterday. Okay, so when we were discussing yesterday, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so when we were discussing yesterday, market was trending over here, so if we could have taken a buying position here, we would have hit a stop loss, I think. uh, Yes, if we take a buying position here, yeah, let me just to take that entry for you guys so you guys can understand that how we hit our stop loss. Okay, we take a buying entry here, our stop loss will be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be less than 0.3%, which means that market did not even went up 0.3% level. That means we hit a stop loss. Okay, and then market continued to go down and close just below our area of support. So if we take a selling position here, we would have then once again hit a stop loss over here. And then once market closed above our area of support, we take a buying position over here, and then again we hit a stop loss. Okay, so we hit three stop losses, and our limit is maximum of two stop losses. Okay, if you guys had two stop losses in a row, then that's it for the day. No more trading for the day. Okay, that's the rule. Okay, and then if you are hitting, this is just for theoretical purpose. If we are taking a third trade, then we would have hit another stop loss, and then over here we are getting another entry of buying. If we take a buying position as per this candle closing, we can take a buying position from here with this our stop loss. But then again, apart from these entries, our level of support and resistance has been respected beautifully. The market has not really moved much further from those levels, and we are still bearish in this GBP USD pair, and there is a good chance that market might go down further. Okay, so now let me move forward these scenarios for you guys. So if you guys have any questions, you guys can ask us anything in the comment section, and if you guys want to know anything regarding the strategies or the mindset of the trading, we are always here to help, and so you guys can understand that how much profit or loss you guys can make with us. Okay, we try to teach you guys the psychology. That's why I am always sharing you all the trades of stop loss and profits. Okay, we do not only share the profitable trades, we share with you the losses as well, so you guys can understand that even with experienced traders, you guys can still hit your stop losses, and there is no set rule for market, and no one is always winning in market. Okay, we are sometimes winning and we are sometimes losing. We have to remain cautious, and we have to remain efficient in making profits. That's the main purpose. Okay, so now let us go to the next chart of Euro USD. You guys can see that when we were discussing yesterday, market was trending over here. So if we take a short position here, we hit a stop loss, and then market gave us another opportunity to buy from here. Okay, so this was a good buying opportunity which would have given us a profit. So one stop loss, and the next would be over here. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit will be approximately over here, giving us a 1.4% profit so far. And this trade would be very well still be running, and we can also take an entry after this closing from here. We can take a buying entry. Okay, and that trade would also still be running. Okay, but then again, we are still bearish in this Euro USD pair, and our preference would be to sit on the selling side of the market rather than buying side of the market. So today it is 27th of June. The areas of resistance and support have been respected beautifully, and I will move forward these scenarios accordingly, so you guys can take trades as per these scenarios. Okay, and if you guys have any questions, we are always here and ready to help you guys in any possible way. Okay, so that's all for Euro USD pair. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Thank you.